warning for Franklin County, Ohio, northern Fayette County, Ohio, northwestern Clinton County, northern Pickaway County, Delaware County, southeastern Greene County, southern Union County, Ohio, Madison County, until 3 p.m. At 2:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Springfield, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Port Columbus Airport, Paintersville, East Ringgold, Interstate 71 at State Route 38. Center Village, Madison Mills, Worthington, Kilgore, Hilliard, New California, Grandview Heights, Whitehall, Orient, Amity, Ostrander, South Solon, and Delaware. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 71 and 111. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 47 and 138. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast.